my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and yes, we're back at Lowe's to see what other awesome clearance finds we can find in store today. So it's the beginning of the year, and like most people, my boyfriend and I, or maybe not like most people, but we want to do a little home improvement this year. So one of the things we want to improve is our powder room. So we are on the hunt for a vanity at a very decent price. So since the Lowe's clearance event is going on, I thought I would come back to the store to check out their vanities to see if I can score an awesome deal. Guys, they have really awesome prices right now on some of their vanities, their faucets, their shower heads. So if you are doing any type of home improvement project this year, hurry to your nearest Lowe's, because I am sure you are sure to score a great deal on whatever project you are going to do. So I saw so many awesome deals, guys, not just on faucets and vanities, but there is a ton of rug clearance as well. So you guys know I always bring you home decor videos on a budget. So this time I thought I would take you along with me as I look for home improvement clearance deals. We all want to save a buck, right? As you can see, guys, if you are doing home improvement projects for the year, Lowe's is a place to be right now. As you can see, there were vanities on clearance, faucets, these switch plates that you see here, ceiling fans. Once again, you guys know we picked up a ceiling fan that we absolutely love. I think we're going to keep our eye on this one to see if the price goes lower because we absolutely love the look. So again, if you have any home improvements going on, run to your nearest Lowe's to see what deals you can score. We all want to save a little money, and Lowe's is the place to be right now. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do lots of home decorating videos, so not just home decor, but I wanted to bring you guys also some home improvement ideas, all on a budget. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the family, and I hope to see you in the next one.